If you are a salesperson or have a sales team, this feature of Framework 360 could be very useful to you. I'll show you how the sales pipeline works. The sales pipeline is nothing more than a process that allows you to manually change the status of a customer. For example, from a cold contact to a closed client, clearly with a contract. First, we go into customization and plugins and look for the sales pipeline. We can install it. As we can see on the left, the sales pipeline section will have opened. Here we can create a new pipeline, for example, called measurement appointments, and we will see that by creating more groups. For example, in this case, it is group title, cold contact. We could, for example, clearly assign a color to the section, a width, etc. And then we can ensure that in this section, in this group, all the clients who are part of a specific list are automatically added. For example, here marketing is part of the list, and then we could select, for instance, the prospect list create group. By doing so, when a new client is added, as we can see, we take this client, demo, and add them to the prospects list by clicking the button, Synchronize Contacts. We will see that the demo client has been added to this group. In this case, we could create a new group called Warm, for example, which includes everyone who has come into contact with us, or maybe there has been an initial follow-up by the sales team. We can leave this without anything. And here we can ensure that the user using Framework 360, in this case the salesperson, can move, as we can see, the contact from group to group as they clearly perform operations on it. It is also possible, in fact, to quickly go to the profile, add a sale to the client thanks to the sales module, and see, for example, the history of what has been done with the client. Here, a new customized action can also be added, like this, or everything can be done quickly by clicking on Quick Edit. We see that a very convenient pop-up opens, which includes the history of actions, etc. Once done, you can save, and off you go. This is the sales pipeline, and it is very useful for commercial networks. Indeed, let's remember that Framework 360 is a very comprehensive digital marketing platform, which allows, precisely in addition to using, in this case, the sales pipeline, to carry out marketing actions directly in an automated way on the customer, such as, for example, a marketing automation, sending emails, sending WhatsApp messages based on certain actions performed on it. An example could be if I add this contact to warm contacts. An email or a WhatsApp message should be sent to the customer informing them that there is, for example, a special promotion for them. This is an example, but infinite marketing operations can be performed thanks to Framework 360.